All right, crew, for those working ahead today via the video, I am going to go over the steps when we are working with our parallel lines when we have an intersecting transversal. All right, step one, draw a circle around 4 angles for both intersections. So they intersect here and they intersect here. Look at that as our 4-way stop sign. I'm going to draw a larger circle, and I'm going to draw a larger circle. Then it says step 2, label the 4 angles 1, 2, 3, 4 going clockwise in exact order for both groups. So for this group here, if I start in the top left and I put a 1 and I go clockwise, it'll go 2, 3, 4. And I'm going to do the same for this group. 1, 2, 3, 4. Step 3, write the equations as supplementary. If we have one odd number and one even number, well, then we have supplementary. Angle plus angle equals 180. If we have 2 odd numbers or 2 evens, we will set that up as angle equals angle. Well, let's take a look. The number 2 is an even number, and the number 4 is an even number. We have 2 evens. We will set this up as angle equals angle. And I wrote that in blue, so I will keep that in blue. 6x plus 12 equals 4x plus 32. I've also given you the steps to solve when congruent and when supplementary. So right here we will add or subtract the variable. I always like to take the term that includes a variable that has less value. So what has less value, the 6 or the 4? Wonderful. We will subtract 4x from both sides. And I just want you to solve for x as these. Top to bottom, left to right, 6x minus 4x gives our 2x. Drop down your plus 12. Bring down your equals, 4x minus 4x. Nobody home. Bring down your 32. Step 2, add or subtract the constant. So we need to get 2x by itself on the same side as plus 12. We subtract 12, not just from 1, but 2, both sides when we're working with our operations. Top to bottom, left to right, 2x. Drop it down, 12 minus 12, I have nothing left. 32 minus 12 is 20. Our last step is to divide by the coefficient of the variable, the number in front of the letter, giving us, 2 divided by 2 will give us our giant 1. We'll just write the x, 20 divided by 2 equals 10. We will move forward to our next example. Again, we're going to draw the big circle around and the big circle around. And if I start in the top left corner again with my 1 and go clockwise, it will be 2, 3, 4. And we will do the same over here. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, well, I know that the number 3 is an odd number and the number 4 is an even. So we have 1 odd, 1 even. That means we will do angle plus angle equals 180. So we will write it as 7x plus 20 plus 5x minus 8 equals 180. I also wrote the steps for your supplementary for today. Combine like terms, add or subtract constant, then divide. So on the left side, I'm going to combine my 7x with my 5x. 7x plus 5x gives us a total of 12x. We can also combine our 20 and our negative 8. And when we read that from left to right, we will read it as 20 minus 8. Giving us another 12. Your equals 180. Just bring it on down. Then we will add or subtract the constant that's hanging out with 12x. Well, plus 12 is hanging out with 12x, or a positive 12. So we will subtract 12 from, great job, both sides. Again, top to bottom, left to right, 12x, nothing below. Drop it down, 12 minus 12, that's our cancel. Your equals comes down. 180 minus 12 is 168. And our last step is to divide each side by the coefficient of the variable, the number in front of the letter. 12 divided by 12, giving us our giant 1. Bring down your equals. 168 divided by 12 is 14. Go ahead and circle your answer. Use this as guidance if you're working independently in class today. Thank you. Let's go.